Thank you very much, and I'll thank the management and the chairman, Mr. Bansal, for inviting me here today. Must have been a big day for all of you after 2 days of competitions in the few games that you had. And I will, I think, request the chairman that we should increase the games in future and try to concentrate more on the Olympic sports, as we call it. Like some of them, like pool, are not there, So we can concentrate on some of those games which are bringing more medals to the country. I have a very strong feeling that any country is recognized more only by two factors. One is the sports persons they produce. I mean, all of us will never forget who is Sachin Tendulkar, Sushil Kumar, and so many other names. And the second, only other thing is the scientific achievements that we have. The Nobel Prizes a country win in certain sectors. This is only which gives an international acknowledgement to that particular country. So I always say that we should concentrate more on sports. As regarding, we're talking about some of the openings that is possible in the world of sports in future. And since I am myself an MBA student, having done it way back, the world of sports management is going to be probably one of the biggest sectors in the coming few years. Government of India has set up a sector skill council in sports. And our initial estimates are that in the coming 5 years, we'll have more than 1 lakh openings in this sector. It will be needed by the government, it will be needed by the private players, it will be even needed by every other university in the country. Most of the universities or the colleges that we have today, they are running their sports departments with the people who have just done a BPEd, it's a Bachelor's in Physical Education. But those days are going to end now. It's a time of specialization. So we are from the sports ministry, we are trying to now tell all the schools, the colleges, and we will, I think, send a reference here also, that whom they should employ in the sports sector. It will be an advisory though, but we understand that it will be taken seriously by everybody. Sports is changing in this country. We know that we had not been producing very many big sports persons in the country, but things are changing here. We are at Sports Authority of India and by the Government of India, we are trying to develop certain areas of sports which were earlier never looked at by India. Just to give you an example, the earlier notion was that all the sports persons are prepared in the grounds, in the fields. But the times have changed. Now we know that the sports persons are produced in the labs. So a sports science backup coupled with the sports management and the sports administrators' input, that is going to be the flavor of future for sports in the country. So I'm sure we'll talk about more tie-ups for this institute. But as I told sir, that we would welcome if some of your probationers, as you go for probation after the first year, can come to Sports Authority of India. We would welcome them. We will have certain projects for them. Just to tell you that it is not going to be not worth it, because IIM Ahmedabad is requesting us to take their trainees on probation with Sports Authority of India. We have people now who have done IIM Ahmedabad and so many, IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore. They are approaching Sports Authority of India for a contract job. So the sports is becoming the flavor now. As a parent also, we understand that we want our kids to be fit and so on. So all the best to you. Sports Authority of India is available to sir as and when we'll talk about it. The sports management course which we were talking about, I would talk to some of the universities abroad whom we know, who are in touch with us, and they want to start some courses in India so that they can also help the institute. Thank you very much and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.